I'm so excited to bring to you our new trial of the Alexander Cosmetics Spray and Go brush cleaner. So it's in a bottle right now because we're still in the testing market of it, seeing how it works, how effective it is. But as you can see from my brush, it's really cleaning out a lot. Super hydrating for your bristles so you don't have to worry about it drying it out and breaking off the bristles of your brush. A little goes a long way. We're just using a regular paper towel here, put a little bit on. Again, you can do a spray and go. I would never spray it directly onto the bristles itself. And we're just doing a quick little shimmy on the paper towel. So you're just going to keep on shimming until your brush comes clean. And as you can see, I'm almost there. This is so easy, so quick. It's odorless. It has no fragrance added. It is just a pure brush cleaner. So elegant, so beautiful, so easy to use. No water is needed, no soap, no drying time. It self-dries. Again, we're just shimming it over the paper towel and making sure that everything is out. It kills the bacteria. This is a great way if you have lots of clients to quickly clean your brushes without having to worry about having a new set. Great for all bridesmaids, bride makeup artists, event makeup artists, and actors and actresses. Look how clean that is. Nothing.